Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. Long time no see. I know I've been so busy with work, with life. It's just like sometimes I don't feel I have time to even make simple things. Like today is going to be very hot day. Nice weather I can see. And this is just like 7 o'clock in the morning and the sun is beautiful. Like it looks like it's gonna be really hot. So today I'm cleaning the house as usual. For those people who don't know me, I am Ida. I live in Australia, or better way, I'm Indonesian as well. And this is my humble house. Just trying to organize everything, and it's just like some days I feel like 24 hours is not enough to clean or tidy up the house, but that's what makes us busy right now, right, during the pandemic. Okay, I still don't have time to organize my essential oil, and this bamboo box I got it from Kmart. If you don't know, Kmart, we have Kmart in Australia, and that shop, or should I say store, is my favorite. I have to go to that store every week. At least I can even sometimes go twice a week. Okay, so move on to the grocery. I do my grocery every week, and this is just for 1 week. As usual, when they have on sale things that I always use every single day, and I would like to stock up. And this is just vegetable for a week. Red radish, mushroom. We love mushroom. Summer fruit, watermelon, rock melon. I can't buy the whole rock melon or watermelon because we have a small fridge. So this is all the size that we can have. So this is plum, as you can see, really nice looking, but to be honest, they're a bit sour. And there is another plum, and this type of tomatoes is my favorite because it's not so mushy when you cut it. And this is just peach, yellow peach. I don't really like peaches because they're quite fussy. You know, they kind of like something when you bite it, at least for me. And there's cucumber. And okay, I'm going to show you how I make my version of kind of like I can't even say the word. Okay, so this is just like cucumber that I preserve with my own ingredients. I put sugar, brown sugar, lots of vinegar, half of water, and optional you can put chili powder. I like the spicy food, so I put chili powder. I just mix them together until the brown, and the salt, sorry, I supposed to mention salt. dissolve into the water. So now I cut thinly, or you can even cut slightly thicker, but I prefer thinly sliced. I'll show you how I use with my small knife here, and I just cut like this and easy to eat. In Indonesia we call it asinan, and this is just like so good when you eat with your food. It's just refreshing, especially in summer. It's really good. Something I use this one as well. Is it called mandelion? Yes, I got this from Daiso, and I think they are okay. It's just like it's not stable because I have to holding it up, and I think I need to buy a proper mandelion. Is it mandelion? Okay, so that is nice thin slice of cucumber. I just slice it until I use up. Sometimes I just use like 3 cucumbers or even 4, depends the size of the cucumber. But today I just use 3 cucumbers. So I leave them in the liquid for 1 or 2 days, and I keep them in the fridge, and when it's ready to be eaten, then we can serve. And now, because it's so hot today, 36 outside, I decided to make cold dessert that I can keep in the fridge. I sliced rock melon, and then I put pineapple. You can put any fruits that you like to put, and I put jackfruit. Anybody has eaten jackfruit before? And this is what it called. I don't know what is in English name, but it's called atapchi in other word, or in I think it's Mandarin word. I mix them together, and I use coconut water for the liquid because it's just so refreshing and it's so good for our body, especially in hot weather. And I mix them together, and I will keep in the fridge for at least 3 or 4 hours until after we had dinner, and it's ready to serve. It's just so good, guys, because all the taste from the watermelon, all the fruits, it just immerse and mix together with the coconut water. It's just so refreshing. So this is how it looks like, and enjoy. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I clean my microwave. It's just so dirty because we just heated up I think it's like curry beef, and they all splatter inside the microwave. And I will just put squeezed lemon with water, microwave it for 5 minutes until the water is hot boil inside. Just have to be careful when you open it and when you remove the bowl. Okay, so I remove the bowl, and it's just so easy to wipe. As you can see, the oil and the dirt just come off easily. And trust me, the smell of the curry, it just disappeared because of the lemon inside. This is just the trick that I always use to clean my microwave, and it's just so good, so effective, and it just like smell fresh. Okay, so that's how it looks after we clean everything, and they look like so clean. Okay, after all the hard work that we do the whole day, I want to treat myself. My daughter just bought this, and I love this dessert. It's just so good. I'm using my bowl because I'm lazy to use the other plate, and I use my new dessert spoon, and they are so beautiful. And you can see my coffee. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following me. And now the weather looks like it's going to rain after the whole day. So hopefully tonight we can sleep a little bit better without that whole wet. The kind of sleeping. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. And I really appreciate that you being with me today. And I hope everybody stays safe.